to eat, Mom.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
You're eating, Mama.
Pasta.
Pasta. You like pasta?
But what I like doing with pasta?
Yeah. You like that?
Yes.
I'll cook you today spaghetti, pasta.
Pasta.
You like pasta, Sarah? You like pasta?
Yummy. Hi guys. I'm eating. Oh!
Don't shout, Mama, on them.
Why?
No nice if you shout.
Why the ammo is loud?
What is it to shout?
That phone?
Yeah, don't shout. Because they don't like shouting. You like pasta, Sarah?
I don't want pasta.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Inti Sarah. What's your name? You are Isaac. How old are you, Isaac?
I'm Koko.
You are Kuku.
I'm
What's
Sarah.
your name?
Koko.
Inti Sarah. Hi, Kuku Dada. Hi, Hanuni.
Noni.
Hanuni, yeah.
Koko Dada. Koko Dada.
Kuku Dada, yeah.
Dada. Koko Dada.
Yeah.
What are your name?
What's your name?
Isaac.
Isaac. Yeah.
Koko and Isaac.
Kuku and Isaac, yeah. How old are you?
Are you finished?
No, it's not done. I'm just making sure you're not covered.
Okay.
Oops. Down. It's okay, it's okay. Come back, come back. Yeah, bring it back your chair near.
Why is Sarah's put it there, Mom?
You're a brave
What?
girl. Lala, Mama, you will
Like that.
broke the legs of your chair.
If we
Ah, Sarah, she make mistake. By mistakes, Sarah? Yeah, you don't mean it, sir.
This is Sarah. I don't make food down like that, Mom. If I eat like that.
Yeah, sit down, Sarah. Adi, Mama, it's okay. I will clean it. I will clean it up after you finish. Yeah,
No
just-
finish.
Still not done.
Oh.
Just, you need to blow it. Okay.
Why is slidey?
Slide it because you don't even hold it good.
Ayaw lang yan.
Naputa yan. AB.
Mom, Baba is doing in the room. Mom, don't fight in Baba. Baba, he'll be and you'll fight against Dad.
Yeah, we're not fighting. We are not laughing.
Okay.
Yeah. It's bad. It's bad to keep fighting.
Yeah, Baba, he don't like fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baba is good.
Baba, he's good.
Yeah, shut it.
It's mine.
You're playing, Sarah.
Why am I
You're
mine?
playing, Shafi. Wow.
Fine.
Fine, yeah. And medical kit.
Why and put the glue?
Siya, Mama, if you wawa, they will put sticker.
Glue sticker?
Ayun, Shafi. You put fine.
Why he make a soup.
Since you have virus.
Virus. He medicine. He give her dawa.
Yeah, because he's sick.
He's sick.
Yeah, she's a good sister.
Why you buy me like that if I'm hot? I'm hot.
Yeah, but it's okay, Mama. You are good. Then she gave her dawa and she will get better.
Why you give me
It's
dawa?
you. Okay, she will eat. She will drink dawa also. Yeah, they're good now.
Yes. He make us so again?
No, she don't. She just make one time.
One time.
Then she wash her hands.
Wash his hand.
Yeah. Wow, shatters, huh?
I don't want to wash my hands. I don't want to wash my hand. It's sticky.
Yeah, but you have virus if you don't wash your hands.
I lick my tongue already.
Sophie, what is doing, this girl?
My hand sleep.
She cover her. There she is, my brother.
I don't want blanket. Why you sleep?
No, I'm not. I'm just closing my eyes.
Why the stomach are hurting?
Sophie, the sun? Wow.
Why did I have sun?
He's good now.
He's
Rahat
good.
and harara. Yeah, little
Why he sleep?
because he was taban. Now she's playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ow, the teeth.
They're doing.
He was his teeth.
So do you want to remove it? The wawa?
He has blood in his teeth to close that.
Save it. Oh my goodness. What's the cause of wawa of the teeth, Coco?
I'm gonna close my teeth in the hole.
Oh, what's the cause? Why it's having wawa the teeth?
Because I gonna close my teeth.
Okay.
Why am I do that, Mom?
We will fix your teeth in the doctor.
The doctor?
But then the doctor said, no more candies eating in the night.
Why?
Because they will give you duty.
Mom, I don't eat candy.
Okay, good job.
I eat chocolate in the night.
Don't eat chocolate in the night.
I do
Only in the day.
Only in
Because
the
you need to
day.
brush your teeth.
Why?
Right? Saan ma fi duty? Sa?
Why do we need to put on your teeth?
No, because the teeth is sensitive. If you eat chocolate, the chocolate will enter in your teeth and he will start to have duty and he will make it wawa. Ay, mama, ay, bindiro doktor.
Mom, but say you want sense of your teeth.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Sinik. Nila eat good. Asyan. You'll get better.
Better in my teeth, you get away the wawa. Then your muffy teeth the wawa and tiny.
Muffy.
Okay.
Good job, Sarah. Good job.
Then Lisa me.
Lisa, it's okay.
From the sorry, Tita. Pasta.
How's his teeth on top?